Go.
Can you imagine our world facing increased threats of apocalyptic hurricanes, earthquakes, fires, floods, diseases, and extinction caused by global warming? Go green. Today I do not want to divulge an anecdote. I want to express the truth to all of you. As cerebral human beings, we know right from wrong. We know when change is good. We know how to make change, and we know when to make the change. Today is the time to go green. I want to sound as cogent as possible, so listen up. While CO2 is essential for plant growth, all agriculture depends also on steady water supplies, and climate change is likely to disrupt those supplies through floods and droughts. This is no gibberish. Even though warmer winters would mean fewer deaths, particularly among vulnerable groups like the aged, they are also vulnerable to additional heat, and deaths attributed to heat waves are expected to be approximately 5 times as great as winter deaths prevented. I don't believe that this is an incumbent speech. We should all know what to do to prevent these problems. Furthermore, polar melting effects include loss of polar bear habitat and increased mobile ice hazards to shipping. Ocean acidification is also a cause for considerable concern. This could have some severe destabilizing effects on the entire oceanic food chain. The effects of glaciers melting are largely detrimental. The principal impact being that millions of people depend on fresh water supply each year by natural springwell and regrowth cycles. It's time to go green. I don't want to express a surfeit of speech making. I want to be short and clear. In addition, many parts of the world are low-lying and will be severely affected by the modest seas rises. There are really no proposed benefits to sea level rise. Many have created spurious ideas on how to combat this global warming problem, but we don't need machines showing us how to live. Everything starts with us. In the environmental area, some negative responses include further growth of oxygen, poor ocean zones, contamination or exhaustion of fresh water, increased incidence of natural fires, extensive vegetation die-off due to droughts, increased risk of coral extinction, changes in migration patterns of birds and animals, changes in seasonal periodicity, disruption to food chains and species loss, and many more. I just want to promulgate the facts to everyone. We don't want to get to a point where there could be a protected disputes over water, energy, supplies of food between countries, all of which may disrupt economic growth. We should all be living at each other and try to make things right. I entreat you to help our earth. The solution is us. Go green and protect our home. Go green and save our blue skies, our green hills, our immense mountains. Go green and save our deep oceans, our beautiful forests, our long rivers. Go green and save our Mother Earth. Now everyone, let's roll up our sleeves to combat global warming, going green and conserving energy today. So reduce, reuse, recycle. Not blue, not red, yellow, orange, purple, pink. Go green.
Thank you.